How to add your nickname on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your nickname on Facebook mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Facebook and click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then settings, profile information, and then click add other name. And now all you need to do is just select her nickname and type your nickname anything, and then just if you want to show your nickname at top of profile, just click this one, turn it on and click save. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.